The 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.